Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are studying the subject of the Cambridge O Levels Mathematics Syllabus D. This is D Maths 4024. We are working on the syllabus, and today we are working on the money exchange, currency exchange, buying rate, selling rate of the currency. This is the name of the chapter is application of the mathematics in the practical situation. So this is chapter 5 from the D3 new syllabus mathematics 7th edition. So let's start today's exercise. This exercise will be, in this exercise, we will learn how to convert, how to exchange one currency into another. For example, because I live in Pakistan, so how if I get US dollars, how I will convert that into Pak rupees. So how I will convert pounds into Pak rupees. How the Australian dollars will be converted into Pak rupees. So let's start. This is exercise 5E from the book D3, New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, which is published by the Oxford University Press. So the exercise is coming in front of you, 5E. Question number 1. So he says a money exchanger exchanged Thai baht and US dollars at a rate of 34.77 baht equals to 1 US dollar. Calculate in Thai baht the amount received for 150 US dollars. So let me show you the solution. Okay, so the solution is coming up on your screen. Okay, so question number 1, A part, the solution is showing up. I'm going to use the method of proportion. So the Thai baht and the US dollars, 34.77 Thai baht is equals to 1 US dollar. So if I have 150 US dollar, how many Thai bahts I will get? So I will write these ratios into fractions. So it will be 34.77 divided by x equals to 1 by 150. Cross multiply and make the x alone. So x will be equals to 150 multiply 34.77, and that will be equals to 5,215.5 Thai baht. So this is how you will do convert the 150 US dollars according to the given exchange rate between the Thai baht and the US dollar. Very simple proportion method. Okay, so we are going to the next part. In the B part, he says, calculate the US dollars, the amount received for 1,617 Thai baht. Okay, so the exchange rate is still the same. And let's see, go to the next question, the next part. That is the B part. Okay, so on your screen, the question number 1 is B part is showing. I will going to use the proportion method. Thai baht, US dollars. 34.77 Thai baht is equals to 1 US dollars. So 1,617 Thai baht equals to how many US dollars? So I will write them, the proportion, I will write the ratios in the fraction form. So it will be 34.77 divided by 1617 equals to 1 by y. Cross multiply and make the y alone. So the y will be equals to 1617 divided by 34.77. And when you enter this in your calculator, you will get 46.51 US dollars. So this is how you will do, how you will convert the 1,617 Thai bahts into US dollars. So this is how you will do the question number 1. It's B part. So now I'm going to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 2. This is question number 2 from the exercise 5E. The book is D3, New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, published by Oxford University Press. Okay, so the question number 2 is showing up. The exchange rate between the sterling pound and the euro during a particular day was £1 is equals to 1.19 euro. How many euros would be equivalent to 320 pounds, sterling pound? Okay. So let me show you the solution of the question number 2. It's A part. Okay, so question number 2, it's A part is showing up on your screen. So it says that sterling pound and euros, sterling pound is equals to 1.19 euro. So 320 pounds will be how much? How many euros? So I write the ratios into the fraction. So it will be 1 by 320 equals to 1.19 divided by x. So cross multiply. So x will be equals to 320 multiply 1.19, and that will be 380.8 pounds. Euros, sorry. 380.8 euros. So this is how you will do question number 2. It's A part. Then he says how many pounds would be equivalent to 956 euros. Okay, so the exchange rate is still the same, and 956 euros we have to convert. So question number 2, its B part is showing up on your screen. So pounds and euros, 1 pound is equals to 1.19 euro. So if I have 956 euros, how many pounds I will get? So I will write those ratios into the fraction. So 1 by y is equals to 1.19 divided by 956. So cross multiply here. So y will be equals to 956 divided by 1.19. So y will be equals to 803.36 sterling pounds. So this is how you will do question number 2. It's B part. Exercise 5E from the book D3, New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, question number 3. Roger puts 8,500 Singapore dollars in a 1-year US dollar fixed deposit account with the bank at 4% simple interest per annum when the exchange rate was at US dollar, 1 US dollar equals to 1.70 Singapore dollar. The A part is how much did he invest in the US dollar? So we have the exchange rate between the Singapore dollar and the US dollar, and they have invested basically 8,500 Singapore dollars. But I have to find out how many US dollars have been invested. So I will convert that Singapore dollars into US dollars. So this is question number 3, and it's A part. So US dollar, Singapore dollar. So once US dollar is equals to 1.70 Singapore dollar. So 8,500 Singapore dollars will be how much US dollars? So I have supposed that is X. So I will convert that ratio into fraction. So it will be 1 by X equals to 1.70 divided by 8,500. So cross multiply. So X will be equals to 8,500 divided by 1.7, and that will be 5,000 US dollars. So when you convert 88,500 Singapore dollars into US dollars, they are 5,000 US dollar. It means they have invested in that scheme how much money? 5,000 US dollars. Now the question is the B part. At the end of 1 year, he withdrew all his money from when the exchange rate was 1 US dollar equals to 1.65 Singapore dollar. Calculate the number of the Singapore dollars he made from this investment. Okay. So I will first of all, that's the B part. Okay. The amount will be equals to the principal plus the interest, and we are talking about the simple interest. So the amount is principal plus the PRT by 100. The principal amount is 5,000 US dollars. plus the P is 5,000, R is 4, T is 1 year, and divided by 100, so it will be 55,200 US dollars. So the total amount will be 5,200 US dollars. So now he will convert it back into the Singapore dollars. The exchange rate is now different. The US dollar, Singapore dollar, 1 US dollar equals to 1.65 Singapore dollar. So if you have 5,200 US dollars, how many Singapore dollars you will get? So convert that ratio into the fractions. So it will be 1 divided by 5,200 equals to 1.65 divided by y. So cross multiply. So y will be equals to 1.65 multiply 5,200. So y will be equals to 8,580 Singapore dollars. So basically, they invested in the Singapore dollars. They have used 8,500 Singapore dollars, and now they have 8,580 Singapore dollars. So it means how much money they have made. That will be 8,580 minus 8,500, and that will be 80 Singapore dollars. So it means they have made 80 Singapore dollars. They have earned 80 Singapore dollars. So this is how you will do the question number 3 and its B part. The rates of exchange, that's question number 4 from the exercise 5E. The rates of exchange between American dollars, Indonesian rupiah, and the Singapore dollars are 1 US dollar is equals to 1.4103 Singapore dollar, and 100 rupiah equals to 0.0111 Singapore dollar. Convert the US dollars, 765 US dollars, into the Singapore dollars, giving your answer correct to the nearest cent. So in the question number 4, A part, we have to convert the given US dollars into the Singapore dollars. And this is the exchange rate which we are going to use. Very simple, straightforward question. That is question number 4, and it's A part. So it says that we will say write US dollars and Singapore dollars. 1 US dollar is equals to 1.4103 Singapore dollars. So if you have 765 US dollars, how many Singapore dollars you will get? I suppose that is X. So I will convert the ratios into the fractions. So it will be 1 divided by 765 equals to 1.4103 divided by X. Cross multiply. So X will be equals to 765 into 1.4103, and that will be equals to 1078.885 Singapore dollar. 1078.885 Singapore dollar. So that is question number 4. It's A part. Then he says convert the rupiah to it's 2560000. It means 2,056 2560000. So it's 2 million and 2.56 million rupiah, and you want to convert that into the Singapore dollar. The exchange rate is given. The exchange rate, you can see the exchange rate now. 100 rupiah is equals to 0.0111 Singapore dollar. So that is the exchange rate which I'm going to use to convert the rupiah into the Singapore dollar. So let me show you. That is question number 4, and it's B part, and it's showing up on your screen. So rupiah and Singapore dollar. So 100 rupiah and that's equals to 0.0111 Singapore dollar. So if you have 2560000 rupiah, so how many Singapore dollars you will get? Let me say it's Y. So I will convert the ratios into the fraction. So it will be 100 divided by 2560000 equals to 0.0111 divided by Y. Cross multiply and make the Y alone. So y will be equals to 0.0111 multiply 256,000 divided by 100, and that will be 284.16 Singapore dollar. 284.16 Singapore dollars. So this is how you will do question number 4. It's B part. So now we are on the question number 5, exercise 5E from the book D3. The rates of exchange between the Australian dollars and the Philippine pesos and the Singapore dollars are one Australian dollar is equals to 1.0373 Singapore dollar, and 100 pesos equals to 2.8250 Singapore dollar. Convert 350 Singapore dollar into Australian dollars. Very simple, straightforward question. So question number 5, it's A part is coming up on your screen. So the Australian dollar and the Singapore dollar, I know the exchange rate between them that was given in the question. So 1 Australian dollar is equals to 1.0373 Singapore dollars. So if you have 350 Singapore dollars, how many Australian dollars you will get? Let me say it is X. So convert the ratios into the fractions. It will be 1 by X equals to 1.0373 divided by 350. So cross multiply. So and make the X alone. So X will be equals to 350 divided by 1.0373. So your answer will be 337.41. 337.41 Australian dollar. 337.41 Australian dollars. Question number 5, exercise 5E, part B. He says convert 5,670 Singapore dollar into Philippine pesos. The exchange rate is given to us. I can show you the exchange rate. Okay, so this is the exchange rate. 100 peso is equals to 2.8250 Singapore dollars. So that is the question number 5. It's B part. So we will write the pesos and the Singapore dollars. So 100 peso equals to 2.8250 Singapore dollars. So if I have 5,670 Singapore dollars, how many pesos I will get? So 100 divided by y is equals to 2.8250 divided by 5670. So y will be equals to 100 multiply 76. So 100 multiply 5670 divided by 2.8250. So y will be equals to 200.708 pesos. 200.708 pesos. So this is question number 5. It's B part. Question number 4, exercise 5E. A couple travels from New Zealand to Singapore for a holiday to celebrate their silver jubilee, wedding anniversary. They exchange 3,200 New Zealand dollars to Singapore dollars at a rate of 100 New Zealand dollars are equals to 94.85 Singapore dollar. They spend a total of 2,560.20 Singapore dollar in Singapore and convert the remaining Singapore dollars into New Zealand dollars at the end of the trip at a rate of 100 New Zealand dollars equals to 97.65 Singapore dollars. Find the amount of New Zealand dollars they receive. Give your answer correct to the nearest cent. Okay. So, so we have to find out the amount of the New Zealand dollars they receive. Okay. So how much money will be left after the trip? So this is going to be question number. Okay, so we are on the question number five, question number six. Sorry. So first of all, they have New Zealand dollars and they want to convert it into Singapore dollars. The exchange rate is given to us. The New Zealand dollar, Singapore dollar, 100 New Zealand dollars are equals to 94.85 Singapore dollars. They have 3,200 New Zealand dollars. So how many Singapore dollars they will get? So I will convert that ratios into the fractions. So it will be 100 divided by 3,200 equals to 94.85 divided by x. Cross multiply and make the x alone. So x will be equals to 94.85 multiply 3,200 divided by 100. And that will be 3035.2 Singapore dollars. 3035.2 Singapore dollars. So this much money they will earn, they have used. So the expenditure there was of 2,560.20 Singapore dollars. So how much is the money remaining with them? That will be 3035.2 minus 2560.20. So the money which is left by them is with them is 475 Singapore dollars. Now they will convert the Singapore dollars back into New Zealand dollars. So now the exchange rate is different. It is New Zealand dollars, Singapore dollars. 100 New Zealand dollars equals to 97.65 Singapore dollars. So now they have 475 Singapore dollars. So how many New Zealand dollars they will get back? So it will be 100 by y equals to 97.65 divided by 475. Cross multiply and make the y alone. So y will be equals to 100 multiply 475 divided by 97.65. So that will be 486.43 New Zealand dollars. So they will get this much New Zealand dollars, 486.43 New Zealand dollars. So this was the exercise. So we are done with the question number 6 also. Okay, so my dear students, today we have completed the exercise 5E from the book D3, New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition is the name of the book. This book is published by the Oxford University Press. The subject we are studying is Cambridge O-Levels Mathematics Syllabus D, DMaths 4024. If you find this video useful, interesting, and it has helped you to do your exercise and understand this concept, please like this video. Share the link of this video onto your Facebook accounts, onto your Twitter accounts, and onto your Instagrams, because that will help me promote my channel. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and it's a great blessing for me to teach you through this YouTube and touch so many students around the globe. It's a real blessing for me. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. God bless you all.